the silver market is an interesting one, with several factors contributing to its supply and demand dynamics. In recent times, there has been an increase in recycling efficiency, which has led to an increase in supply. However, this increase in supply has been countered by a decline in the supply of new mines and byproduct mining. This decline is set to continue for the next 5 years unless the price of silver rises significantly, while demand for industries such as solar, biomedical, and water remediation grows. One of the key drivers of the silver market is its low unit cost. This feature makes it accessible to a wider range of investors, particularly those who may not be able to afford the high costs associated with gold. This accessibility makes silver a popular investment choice during bull markets, as investors flock to it once the momentum has shifted from gold's fear trade to silver's greed trade. The term fear trade refers to investors' tendency to purchase gold during times of economic uncertainty or when there is a risk of inflation. This is because gold is seen as a safe haven asset that retains its value even during times of economic turmoil. In contrast, the greed trade refers to investors' tendency to purchase silver during times of economic growth and prosperity. This is because silver is seen as a commodity that can benefit from increased demand for industrial and consumer products. Silver is a versatile metal that is used in a variety of applications. One of the most significant applications is in the production of solar panels. As the demand for renewable energy continues to grow, the demand for silver in solar panel production is expected to increase significantly. This could help to drive up the price of silver, particularly if the supply of new mines and byproduct mining continues to decline. Another application of silver is in the field of biomedical research. Silver has antimicrobial properties, which make it an effective tool in fighting bacterial infections. As the global population continues to grow, the demand for effective medical treatments is also expected to increase. This could lead to a higher demand for silver in biomedical research, further driving up its price. Water remediation is another area where silver has significant applications. Silver is used in the production of water filters, which help to remove impurities and contaminants from water. As access to clean water becomes an increasingly significant issue, the demand for silver in water remediation is also expected to increase. While demand for silver in these industries is expected to increase, the supply of new mines and byproduct mining is expected to decline. This could create a situation where the price of silver rises significantly, particularly if demand continues to grow. In this scenario, we could see a silver bull market, driven by financial momentum and investor sentiment. It is worth noting that a silver bull market is not a foregone conclusion. There are several factors that could influence the price of silver over the coming years. For example, if the global economy were to experience a significant downturn, we could see investors flocking to gold once again, which could dampen demand for silver. Similarly, if technological advancements were made that reduced the amount of silver needed in industries such as solar and biomedical research, this could also negatively impact the price of silver. In conclusion, the silver market is an interesting one, with several factors contributing to its supply and demand dynamics. While an increase in recycling efficiency has led to an increase in supply, the decline in the supply of new mines and byproduct mining is set to continue for the next 5 years. However, if demand for industries such as solar, biomedical research, and water remediation continues to grow, we could see the price of silver rise significantly, potentially leading to a silver bull market. As with all financial markets, there are several factors that could influence the price of silver over the coming years, so it is essential for investors to carefully monitor market conditions and make informed decisions based on their investment goals and risk tolerance. It is also worth noting that the silver market is highly volatile and subject to sudden price swings. This volatility is driven by several factors, including changes in global economic conditions, geopolitical events, and investor sentiment. For example, in early 2021, the price of silver experienced a sudden price spike due to a social media-driven campaign to squeeze silver shorts. As such, investing in the silver market requires a high level of due diligence and risk management. Investors should carefully consider their investment goals and risk tolerance, as well as stay informed about market conditions and trends. Diversification is also key, as investing in a range of assets can help to mitigate risk and reduce the impact of market volatility on an investor's portfolio. In summary, the silver market is a complex and dynamic one, with several factors contributing to its supply and demand dynamics. While an increase in recycling efficiency has led to an increase in supply, the decline in the supply of new mines and byproduct mining is set to continue for the next 5 years. However, if demand for industries such as solar, biomedical research, and water remediation continues to grow, we could see the price of silver rise significantly, potentially leading to a silver bull market. Investing in the silver market requires a high level of due diligence and risk management, as well as careful consideration of investment goals and risk tolerance.